Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have an amazing orange glazed salmon. It is super easy to make, healthy and delicious. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the peel off an orange. Secret here is to just take out the peel without any of the white part of the orange. So you can do this by doing it lightly. That way it's gonna be sweet and delicious and it's not gonna be tart. Then we add a sprinkle of pepper and salt onto our salmon and cut our orange in half. How easy it is to make a delicious meal in an instant. So we're gonna take half the orange and we're gonna squeeze it on top of our salmon. This you can do 5 minutes before, right before, while you preheat the oven, or you can do it an hour or two ahead of time. Then, if your orange juice is not sweet, you can add a little bit of honey and sweeten it. Normally, the oranges are very sweet. Now we add a little bit of extra orange peel on top, and this way we're ready to place it in the oven. So we place our rack on top of a pan, and there we're gonna add our salmon. We add our salmon, drizzle it with some more orange juice, and we're ready to go. If we bake it at 300 degrees, it's gonna take about 20 minutes. And this is an ideal way to bake them if you have visits, because when you slow bake them, they are not gonna overcook if you take a little longer to serve your people. If we're gonna cook it for us, I do it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. This is a fast cooking, and it's easier for when it's just me. Let's take out our salmon, place it on our plate, and enjoy a delicious salmon. You can also add some wine onto the baking pan. Remove all those drippings from the orange juice that just baked there and serve them on top of your salmon. This is gonna make a delicious sauce. Now, just decorate it with some thyme or dill and you're done. An amazing, delicious, and healthy meal in about 15 minutes. With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.
Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.